Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is your friendly neighborhood auntie from the friendly neighborhood shop. What I have here is a box bag which is very similar to the Bleecker box that you can get from a high-end fashion house. The exterior is almost similar to the Bleecker box bag, and it is almost similar to how the texture is on the actual Bleecker box bag. This is black leather, and there are two ways of how you can carry this bag. I'm showing you the details on the bag. It is almost similar, really close resemblance to how the actual Bleecker box bag looks like. The closure is also S-lock, just the way the iconic S-lock is from this fashion house. And the top handle is single strap. There are two ways in which you can carry this bag. One is you can hang it on your wrist, another is on your shoulder, and if you're petite, you can even carry this bag cross body. The studs are also there at the back of this bag, just like how it is on the actual Bleecker box bag. The straps are adjustable, and the details on the strap are also similar to how it is on the Bleecker box bag. The dimensions are 12 centimeters on all sides. It comes with a mirror, and you are able to put in an iPhone 11 Pro Max, but you need to slant the phone in order to close this bag. It is really roomy, and you are able to carry all your essentials when you do your errands or even for a night out. I sourced this bag for a client who wanted something that is close to the Bleecker box bag but was not going to spend the thousands of dollars on an actual one. So if you are someone who's looking for a similar iconic bag but is not interested to spend the money that goes into buying the actual ones from a high-end store, you can contact us and send me samples, because as we have always mentioned before, you dream it, we find it. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today, and I hope you subscribe and follow us on all our social media channels. And if you like what you see, then give us a thumbs up, or you can even drop us comments in the comment section below, and it will really be something we look forward to reading. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye bye.